Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss and showcase our solution to Jenny's case study, air pollution. Our solution is the Eco Carbon Collector, also known as ECC. Let's introduce our team that contributed to the creation of this project. I'm Melek Disuwi.
I'm Julianne Brown.
I'm Bella Huang.
I'm Margaret Beltrami.
And I'm iFan. To start off, let's discuss the current situation with air pollution in Atlanta. For ozone pollution, Atlanta received an F grade by the American Lung Association in 2020 and was ranked 25th among cities with the worst ozone. For PM 2.5 pollution, our city was rated B and unfortunately failed to meet the annual target by WHO. The major contributor to these air pollution problems are vehicle emissions, which produce the majority of airborne lead, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon dioxide.
So why is air pollution such a problem? While air pollution can lead to severe health issues for humans, including asthma, cardiovascular diseases, and other respiratory-related illnesses, air pollution also causes many environmental issues, including acid rain and ozone pollution, which leads to global warming and climate change. There's also a lot of data that prove how severe this issue is in Atlanta. For example, in Paulding County High School, there was a data collection over 11 hours that recorded average PM 2.5 levels being at 3.74 micrograms per cubic meters over the federal limit.
There are three major components that result to air pollution from vehicles, starting with nitrogen oxides, which is created from combustion of materials, especially from gasoline. Next is carbon dioxide, which is created from combustion of fossil fuels, and it also plays a major role in global climate change because it is a part of a greenhouse gas. Next is particulate matter, which also comes from incomplete combustion in car engines, and this plays a significant role because it can lead to lung inflammation and causes harmful actions to tissues in the lungs.
Currently, they already have some solution product on the market that try to solve air pollution problem caused by car emissions. All of them are great, but cannot solve the problem completely. Like the catalytic converter only focus on the nitrogen oxide. The basomine cannot be widely available, and the electric car could be good for the future, but currently there still have a large numbers of cars rely on gasoline and diesel. So we need some better solution.
One big component of our solution is PEI. So what is PEI? PEI is a multi-purpose polymer with repeating units of amine groups and carbon aliphatic. It can be found as a wet strength agent in cellulose paper and detergents or adhesives. And most importantly, scientific studies have shown that PEI can be injected into support materials such as silica or graphite to create an effective absorbent for CO2 and nitrogen gas.
In order to reduce the carbon and nitrogen produced in the air, we created a muffler attachment that uses PEI silica filter, and we called it the Eco Carbon Collector, or ECC for short. Here's the blueprint for our prototype. The muffler uses spring wires to make it almost able to adjust to almost any car. It has a multiple layers of PEI silica and a removable cartridge to be replaced and recycled monthly. It also has a container of liquid nitrogen in order to cool the exhaust and help with the PEI silica work with its best potential.
The cost for ECC is around $14 respectively, and the cost for 5 is $70 respectively. So it's also important to highlight that PEI is relatively abundant, and the production of PEI silica is absorbent and can be done on an industrial scale.
So how will we promote our product in the future once it's designed? First, we will reach out to local nonprofits and work with them for promotion and distribution.
We will also plan on manufacturing the ECC with cars instead of an add-on later attachment. So we will reach out and work with the car manufacturers.
Finally, we will engage our local community by testing our prototype with Atlanta residents and taking their feedback into consideration.
Here is our citation and the document we use.
Thank
you.